And we're making campfire enchiladas. We're started off with a few chicken thighs. We like chicken thighs because they're fattier. And I sauteed them up in the same pan we're gonna put in the fire. Now I'm gonna add some black beans. My burner is off though, so I'm just using the heat from the cast iron just to get my beans cooked just a little bit. I mean, they're pretty much cooked. They're canned black beans, but I just want to get them all mixed in. Make sure you have a good fire going and at least 10 to 12 coals getting ready to put on top of your cast iron. Okay, while your pan is still a little hot, you're gonna want to add some butter. I have to get off all the pollen.
Butter
in the bottom.
Butter goes
because butter.
Oh, I made it!
Okay, so we like corn tortillas. This is also really, really great with flour. Obviously the flour would fit better in here if you want to do it, but we're building our enchiladas in kind of like a layer form. So it's kind of like enchilada lasagna, let's call it. Okay, so I layered our first layer down. I'm then gonna put cheese, okay? So the cheese kind of seals everything in. Of our meat and beans, hyphen. Now we're gonna do some of my homemade enchilada sauce. So this is super simple to make. Okay, now we're adding another layer.
Legit have to document everything they do, especially up camping.
So you can tell I have super big supporters in my family. Keep some cheese for the top. Okay, finish the top layer. I'm gonna put the lid on it and we're gonna put it on the fire and put the coals on. We're gonna rotate it every few minutes. One of these, get yourself one of these. They're in my Amazon shop. Just out.